Hi. How to protect from birds attacking your car side mirror. I cut this out of a cardboard and put plastic around it. And I measured the car mirror and then I cut it on a cardboard. And I use a rubber band to put it on the mirror. Like so. And the birds, they don't attack the mirror, it's covered. So now we go over the other side. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Cut out cardboard. And these are protected by plastic. I made these tabs to give it more secure in there, so just put those tabs in there and then take the rubber band and then just wrap it on there. So, and that's how you can protect your mirrors from bird attacking. So hope that helps. Thank you for watching.